Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain Netflix series Wednesday episode 1 part 2. One of the early highlights of the episode is the fencing class. Wednesday challenges Bianca the Siren to a duel. Their match is intense with both showing great skill. Eventually Bianca wins the first round, but Wednesday with her pride hurt demands a fight without mask. This duel ends with Wednesday slightly injured, and it shows that Wednesday is not afraid to stand up to the strongest student in the school. This moment also establishes her as someone who refuses to be underestimated. Wednesday soon discovers that she has psychic abilities inherited from her mother. She begins experiencing disturbing visions of the future and the past. One vision shows her mother when she was a student at Nevermore. Another shows violent and the mysterious events connected to the school. These visions confuse and frighten Wednesday, but they also spark her curiosity. Meanwhile, in the nearby town of Jericho, strange events are happening. A series of murders have been reported. People are being attacked by a large monstrous creature. We see a man driving through the woods only to be attacked and brutally killed by this monster. This adds a dark and the mysterious tone to the episode. Later in the episode, Wednesday has another vision. In it, she sees Rowan, the boy with telekinetic powers, in danger. According to the vision, Rowan is about to die. When she follows him into the forest, the vision comes true. The monster suddenly appears and attacks Rowan. Before she can fully understand what is happening, Wednesday watches in horror as Rowan is killed by the creature. This shocking scene sets up the central mystery of the series. What is the monster? Why is it killing people? And how is Wednesday connected to it through her visions? This show is a perfect mix of gothic horror, teenage drama, comedy, and the mystery and the personality of Wednesday. The first episode ends with Wednesday realizing that her life at Nevermore will not be simple. She wanted to escape, but now she has a bigger mission. She feels it is her duty to uncover the truth behind the monster, the murders, and the strange secrets of the academy. The camera closes on her determined face, making it clear that Wednesday is ready for the challenge no matter how dangerous it might be. This is the full story of first episode. Stay tuned because in the upcoming episode, Wednesday will investigate the monster, uncover family secret, and face challenges that test her strength and intelligence. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed English explanation of movies and series. Thank you.